The second question is quite similar to the first one. I have to use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of these cases. So essentially what I have to do is I have to find the 0 of gx in each case, substitute that into px, and if I get 0, then gx is a factor of px. If I don't get 0, then gx is not a factor of px. So let's start off with the first part. So in the first part, gx is equal to x plus 1. So the 0 of gx is x equal to minus 1. So I'm going to find p of minus 1, and this will be equal to, I have to substitute x equal to minus 1 into this polynomial. So 2x cube is 2 times minus 1 cube, plus x square is minus 1 square, minus 2x is 2 times minus 1, and then I have a minus 1. So this gives me 2 times minus 1 cube is minus 2, minus 1 square is plus 1, and then I have minus 2 times minus 1, that's plus 2, and I have minus 1. So we have the terms cancelling out. So p of minus 1 is equal to 0. So in this case, gx is a factor of px. Now let's go to the second part. In the second part, gx is equal to x plus 2. So the 0 of gx in this case is x equal to minus 2. Now I'm going to find out p of minus 2. And in this case, the polynomial is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So let's find p of minus 2. That will be minus 2 cube plus 3 times minus 2 square, 3x square, plus 3x, so that's 3 times minus 2, and I have a plus 1. So minus 2 cube is minus 8, and then I have minus 2 square is 4, so 4 plus 3 is 12, 4 times 3 is 12, then I have 3 times minus 2, minus 6, plus 1. So this is equal to minus 1, because I have minus 8 plus 12 is 4, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, and that plus 1 is minus 1. So because p of minus 2 is not equal to 0, because this is not equal to 0, gx is not a factor of px in the second case. Now let's evaluate the third part. So we have gx in this case equal to x minus 3, which means that the 0 of gx in this case is x equal to 3. And the polynomial px is x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. So I'm going to find out p of 3 for this polynomial. So that's x cube or 3 cube minus 4x square or 4 times 3 square plus x plus 3 plus 6. So what does this give me? So that's 27 minus 3 square is 9. 9 times 4 is 36 plus 3 plus 6. So that's minus 9 plus 3 plus 6, which is equal to 0. So p of 3 is equal to 0, which means that in the third part, gx is a factor of px. And that solves the second question. Let's go to the third one. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.